Hi guys, here's another product I have. Its name is Baseus, and it's a GaN Pro desktop power strip, which has two AC plus 2U plus 2C 65 watt for US. And here's the name of here's the kind of this product, GaN. And if you take a close look, this is the image of the product, and it has a multiple output to charge at the same time. And as you see, here is the picture how you can use this power strip. So this image is showing desktop, laptop, phone, iPad is charging at the same time. So this is kind of a multiple use. So I think it's a great product. So here I'm going to unbox the product to see where it's included. So now I have this main parts, which is this Baseus power strip, and here it is. And here is a warranty card, which is warranty policies, the postage for the return or replacement of goods without quality problems. So no warranty provision, warranty record form. Here it is. You should fill it up and send it to them for warranty registration. And here's a user manual guide. Here it is. And here's the extra power cord like this. So that's pretty much it, and it has some warning to read in a multiple language. So here's the English: attention and instructions for proper use, cover unused outlets, fully extend before using, rated 125 volts, use within the electrical rating marked on the cord set, did not plug more than total of 1250 watts in this cord set. Length of extension is this 1.65 meter. So that's what it is. Now I'm going to show how we can use and so I'm going to so here it is, and it says it has, you see, it has three plug, and it has this USB type C1, type C2, and USB 1, USB 2, which is great. So I'm going to plug it in to see how it's going to work. So okay guys, so as you see now, here is the power strip when I connect to the power outlet. So here it is. This blue light is on, so which means it's online now, so I can connect anything I want. So first of all, here's the three charger outputs. So now I'm gonna connect it to my laptop. So here it is. Here's the one. I'm going to connect it here, and then connect this here. So as you see, here I connect it here. So after I connect this laptop charger, it's on, and now here it is. So the laptop is on. As you see, the blue light is here, and then the light is right here is on. It's when it's charging right now. And then here I have another device, which is my tablet, that I'm going to charge with this outlet. So here this is this one, which is USB 1. So I'm going to connect it. So let's start charging. So here it is. There's another charging that I'm doing. So now here's another output, which is this. I'm going to charge it here, and here it is. So as you see, all of these devices are charging at the same time. So now if I need to connect more, so I can always do so, like this here. These are the small type C1 or C2, and here's another one that I can always charge. So this is pretty much is that I'm charging now. So I have right now 1, 2, 3 devices that I already plug it in. So here is another device, which is my sensor. So I'm going to connect this one too in order to make it online. So as you see, here's another one that is already on, and this is pretty much is. So then I can always use more. So which is this one to charge, and here it is. So I can put in they already give the Baseus already give another outlet to output to charge here. Okay, so I'm inserting here, and then I'm inserting to my tablet. So okay, this is not going here. I can use it anywhere I want, so which is most likely Samsung chargers, Samsung devices, or whatever is going to connect with it. So this pretty much is. So right now I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4 gadgets at the same time with this Baseus power strip. So this is a great product, I must say, that is charging multiple gadgets at the same time, so we don't have to worry about this outlet or that outlet. We just can put all the gadgets at the same time in the same place, organized. Baseus is a power strip with the extension cord for DC outputs and 2 AC. The AC to DC module are made of new semiconductor material, GaN, with a total output power of 65 watt. It has a small size and various interfaces, 2 outlets plus 2 USB plus 2 Type C, compatible with multiple fast charging protocols such as QC4+, PD 3.0, QC 3.0, QC 2.0, SCP, FCP, EFC, and PE+. The maximum output power of Type C1 and Type C2 is 65 watt when they are used separately, which can provide full speed fast charging for most laptops. When used 4 ports simultaneously, Type C1 port can still be used to fast charge most phones and laptops, such as IPPD fast charging, Huawei, Samsung, and all other devices. Multiple safety protection circuits are built in, such as overcurrent, overvoltage, and temperature protection. So that's pretty much a great feature of this product. I really recommend this product to everyone who is interested. Thank you.